In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wrike desktop app. To start, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, click once so it's highlighted, and then type in the phrase "How to download Wrike desktop app." Press enter on your keyboard to run the search. You'll now see a list of search results related to Wrike. Look for the official Wrike page that mentions the Windows and Mac desktop app for project management. It should clearly indicate that it's the Wrike desktop app, and it will usually show the Wrike website address in the link. Click on that result to go directly to Wrike's official download page. Using the official site is important because it ensures you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. Once the Wrike desktop app page loads, take a moment to confirm you're on the right page. You should see information about using Wrike on your desktop, along with options for different operating systems. On this page, look for a button labeled Install Now. This is the main call to action button that begins the installation process. Go ahead and click Install Now. After clicking, you'll be taken to a section or a new page inside Wrike's app or integrations area that focuses specifically on the desktop app. Here, the next step is to actually download the installer file to your computer. On this screen, look for a button that says Download. This button might specify your operating system automatically, such as Windows or Mac, depending on what you're using. Click on the Download button. Your browser should then start downloading the Wrike desktop installer file. You'll usually see this appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads list. The actual installation process, where you open that file and follow the setup prompts, will depend on your operating system, but downloading the installer with these steps is the key part. That's all you need to do to download the Wrike desktop app. Once the download finishes, you're ready to run the installer and start using Wrike directly from your desktop without needing to open it in a browser every time.